This is my location. It's the food factory in South Rotterdam. Currently it looks quite broken down. There's old tram rails here. It's not safe for children. The floor is uneven. Right now there's a food factory with great food, but other than that there's not a lot of things there, not a lot of people. So my idea is to make it like a little green island. It's not technically an island, but I want to make it a picnic area with the grass floor here and tables to eat lunch. Here you can grill your own food. The idea is to bring your food and not to buy it. And you can fill up your water bottles at the fountain, and to make it more accessible, there's a water taxi station. Also, I'd like to have the turbines for wind power. Water power, I want when it rains to collect the roof here to collect the water, and it brings it down to the wheel to make power as well, and solar panels because the weather is very diverse in Rotterdam. A few details: I want recycling bins to reduce garbage, and fountain to fill up water bottles so you don't have to buy plastic bottles.